Alright, well, I put this on backwards. I had to drill it off. I kind of scratched the hell out of the paint up there. So, I had to touch it up. But I will attach the latches, though, and put in the drawers. Alright, getting done with a minor setback. My rivet gun broke. It won't rivet anymore because I still had a piece of the old rivet back there, and I guess it either made it spread too wide, I don't know, but it is not clamping on anymore. Not clamping on anymore. Nothing. Anyway, gotta get another rivet gun, but that was the very inexpensive one from Harbor Freight. So, I'm not gonna cry about it.